Hello everyone, this is Beverly and welcome to my channel. And this is my daughter, Aki. Say hello, Aki. Hello. And welcome to my mama's channel. So if you are new here, which I think bago jud ka because I'm also new here. So if you find motherhood, family, career, and everything in between topics interesting, so please hit like and subscribe button.
Hello guys.
So for today's video, I'm going to share with you my new normal investments. Quiet. So this is how difficult it is to make contents pag na kay mga kids. Ano ba? But it's normal because this is life of a mother.
Huh?
Ayaw sa video. A few days ago, I bought an air purifier and a humidifier. So, let's take this one first. Ako siyang i-review. Kaya nagamit naman siya for a few days. So, kung nice ba yun siya, sulit ba? So, in my previous video, na-share na ko sa inyo ha, kung unsa ang difference ng humidifier o diffuser. Ay, lihok, ging! Kini siya nga video, gubot kaayo, luhag kayong mga kuan. Luhag akong pana, luhag ang ako ang anak. Ay! So, after careful consideration, mas ni-prefer ko nga mupalit og an ultrasonic humidifier because it also functions as a diffuser. So, I can place essential oils. Dili na natin i-cut nga video. Yes na lang yun. So, this is what I got. This is Blue Water. Mo yahang brand. 30. Ultrasonic Wave Humidifier. And it says here that it releases a large number of negative ions, high efficiency air purification, improve air quality, and care for health. So mao man jud ang reason nga no nga nipalit ko og humidifier no og air purifier para ma-purify og ma-humidify ang air inside diri sa amo ang room, especially at this time of pandemic. And I want to protect my kids. Now let's go to the technical specification of this Blue Water humidifier. So, the type of humidifier, ultrasonic cool mist. So, pag search ay nako about humidifiers, mas okay kung ang imuhang paliton katong cool mist kaysa katong init kay simba ko magduol ang mga kids na spillage, so mapasok sila. So at least this one cool mist siya. And power consumption 220 volts to 240 volts, and capacity of tank 1 gallon. So dako siya actually, pwede siya pang overnight siguro nimo gamiton dili mahulot ang water. And then running time per tank is actually 11 hours. Output per 24 hours 2.1 gallon. And yung suitable room size is approximately 500 square meters feet by 48. Unsa ni siya? Di ko kabalo. Bulok ba ya kog mat? Sorry. Klaro ba? Halap. 48 M2 meter square? Whatever. And then, additional features niya, na siya auto-off function, variable humidity control. So, ang product color available na ay pink, violet, bright red, rose red, white, yellow, blue. Ang ako ang napalit, blue. Gusto ko pink. Ayaw, don't move. Gusto ko pink pero wala available. So, blue na lang. Yung size, 18 by 18 by 27 centimeters. That's it. And so, mao ni ang itsura. This big. Tapos naa siya'y double nozzle. So, pwede nimo siya ma-move. Which is, mapod akong gusto. Kaya at least makabuga siya miss diri nga side pod. Pwede sa imong gusto. Ayan. And hand control. On and off. And then, water. Nabutangan naman ko siya ng tubig. Kinagamit naman ako siya. So, di na ako pakita sa inyo hakaron ang saon pag butang unta. But maybe in my future videos, I can. So, we will turn this on na. Ayan. So, mag-change ang iyahang color. Ayan. Then, let's turn on. Oops.
Baby,
Oh, 30. Please don't move. Ayan. Kita na ninyo ang mist. Ay, 30. No. Ayan. What? Break time. Someone is hungry. And there's Aki. Nagabagot-bot. And look at that. Pitchel. Iyahang new baby daw. Next time na lang ko mag-make og review aning koan air purifier kay murag nagkagubot na jud ang ako ang mga kids. Aki is crying already. 30 is also samukan na. But yeah, about sa blue water humidifier na akong napalit, it's a good buy actually. Ganahan kayo ko. And even my husband, siya gyud ang mag-refill ng water, magbutang ng oil. Ganahan kayo siya. And it helps with his allergic rhinitis. Kaya naman gyud siya allergic rhinitis. And early morning, mga bahing na siya. So, sa pila ka days na mo pagamit ani so far murag less ang iyahang bahing. He feels better daw. Pa, diba? Perfect!